Good evening, everybody. Here I will talk about my mother. Her daily routine is my mother wakes up at 5 in the morning. By 5:30, she completes her brushing the teeth, shower, and other bathroom jobs. Then she does her puja for around 10 minutes. By the time everyone at home wakes up, she prepares tea for the whole family. After finishing the tea, she starts preparing breakfast and packs lunch for office goers. After everyone leaves the office for their jobs, she starts washing utensils. After this, she reads the newspaper, does other household chores. Then she goes for washing the clothes. This takes around 1 hour. In the noon time, she starts preparing lunch while watching TV or listening to the radio. After the lunch, she watches her favorite TV shows for another an hour and then takes a power nap. In the evening, she does some gardening stuff, goes to the market to buy some vegetables, sometimes the ration or some other stuff. When other family members are back at home, again she prepares tea for everyone. We all sit together, share few moments over the cup of tea. She then starts preparing dinner, serves us the yummy and hot meal. We all eat together. After the meal, she watches TV and then she washes the dinner utensils. She reads some spiritual books after the dinner and goes to sleep at 10 o'clock. That's all. Thank you.